Hi, I'm Jacob Ball, co-founder and president of Cozy Bread. What is the Cozy Bread proofing mat? Our proofing mat is specifically designed to improve the taste, texture, and decrease the proofing time. We accomplish this by supplying controlled temperature across the entire surface of this mat. When it arrives, it's going to come in a box like this. It's rolled up for portability. It's easy to store in any kitchen drawer. Adjust your temperature to above 100 degrees so that way you can get it nice and flat like we have here. Lay it out on a flat surface about 5 to 10 minutes and it will be nice and flat just like this. Then go ahead and decrease that temperature to 78 to 83 degrees, the ideal proofing ranges. There's a minus, there's a plus, there's a power button, there's the set temperature, that's what you're going to set it at, and then there's the real temperature. That's what it's going to actually be at. Take a towel, lay it out, place the mat on top. We do this because we don't want the heat escaping into your cold countertop. Take your bowl of dough or your jar of starter, place it on top, take the towel, roll it over the top, just like that. It creates a nice, warm, cozy environment, perfect for proofing. For more information, check out our website. All of our products are available on Amazon. Thanks for your time.